Hey guys, here's another quick video. This is how I clean my diesel injectors when I have to. First of all, I take a jar of sausages, or hot dog sausages. Then I empty that jar and clean it out. Then I take a cutter and I drill a hole in the lid. Once I've done that, I deburr the outside edges of the hole so that there's no sharp edges using this grinding, a sanding wheel for the drill. Once that's done, I would put in some cleaning fluid. This is the cleaning fluid of my choice. This is called Tikapur TR13. This is made for the sonic bath. It's very good at getting rid of diesel tar and burnt on substances. It does say on here, don't use with light metals like aluminium or tin or zinc. Once I've got that in the jar and I've got my injector in, the whole lot comes in the sonic bath. I do not mix the water in the sonic bath with the cleaning fluids. I just keep pure water, leave all my stuff in a jar, and it works perfect. Before I switch the bath on, we can't hear anymore, you can see that it's already started working on the injector. But we'll switch the bath on and have a look. Okay, at this point in the video I decided that I would dub it, as the noise of the ultrasonic bath is a little bit too loud and I really didn't want to deafen you. But you can already see that it's working and it's starting to pull the dirt off the nozzle of the injector and starting to thoroughly clean it. It takes a bit of time, but the results are well worth it in the end. And there you have it. The injector looks a hell of a lot better. It's even shining. All the crud is gone and the burnt on tar is gone. I will get on and put that back in. Right guys, another thing. This is a copper sealing ring. This is what goes on the end of your injector. Now, what happens is when this is used, it gets work hardened. What that means is once you put this under pressure and seal it in, it gets harder. Once you take it out and put it back in again, it won't seal properly. Work hardening in steel is taken out by heating the steel and let it cool off slowly. In copper, what you do is heat the copper and quench it. So that is what we're going to do basically, is heat the copper seal. We'll get it nice and warm and then hot. It will start to go another colour. Now there will be people that are against this, and that's okay. But the last time I bought these, they were 12 or 16 euros for 4. Now, this is how I personally do it. I haven't had no problems doing this. And basically, I've just heated it up and quenched it in water. Through the quenching, the copper goes back to being malleable and it will seal again. But there is a point where you can't use them anymore and then you will have to get new ones. But that's how I do it. Right, so that's the end of this video. Thanks guys. If you stayed this long to listen to me prattle on, stay safe. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.